I wanted to try and record my process of starting open source and doing some open source stuff. So I found this repository, um, first contributions. I think it's kind of a tutorial on how to start off. And even though um, I would say I have some professional background in software engineering, about 5 to 7 years of professional. Depends on how you, if you count the internships and stuff. I've never contributed to open source other than my own repositories. So I think it's going to be a good demonstration for myself and to any of the viewers who want to start doing some open source and they don't really know how to. So let's do it. I'm going to use the command line and I hope you'll find this educational. So let's start off with the first steps. So this project aims to simplify the guide. I'll put the URL of the first contributions repository in the description of uh, the video. So let's start off with forking this repository. So as it states, we need to fork. So let's create a fork. So yeah, and then so as you can see, now the repository is under my username. And then we're going to clone the repository. So let's go to the command line. Yeah. So this is a project I've been working on for quite some time. I don't think it's very useful right now to check it out, but let's just work on the command line for now. Yeah. So let's run the. So we need to clone it. So here we go. We get the HTTPS from here. We'll copy that, and then yeah. So let's run clone this one. Yes. And if we check, we have the first contributions, which is the, as I said, it's cloning into first contributions. So let's go to first contributions. And then let's keep following the instructions. So we did this, we cloned this, yes, right? And then we're going to create a branch. So I usually create a branch like so. So git checkout needs to be, and then add, and as you can see, we checked out a new branch called Adam Reishner from the main branch. Let's keep following the instructions. So let's open contributors.md, the metadata file, markdown file, sorry. So let's go to contributors. Sorry, I need to open that. So we can open that with VI. Yeah, and then, okay, so as you can tell, each and every name here states its own so if I'm not mistaken, if I go to the end of file, yeah, let's go to the end of the file. No, I don't want to scroll with the wheel. So let's do, sorry, this works? No. Okay, so yeah, this is the end of the file. Wish I know VI better, but yeah. Let's insert. It might be a good time to learn VI if I'm going to use it. And let's add our name here. So my name is uh, yeah, and Omar Shneur. And then I'm going to add my a link to my GitHub. So my GitHub is this. Yeah. Let's edit here as it states github.com. Okay. And then we're going to save it and exit the file. Let's just make sure we actually saved it. I'd just like to make sure. Uh, let's go next. There it is. That's my name. Yeah, I haven't changed anything, so let's keep it at that. And then let's check the status. And as you can see, we modified uh, the file. And let's commit it. So let's add a contributors.md, and let's see if they need the format of the commit to be some sort of format. So, oh, it's just, yeah, add your name. Yeah, I can copy this actually. And oops, let's copy this. And let's do it like this to the contributors list. And let's push it. So minus upstream to origin and then my name. So I need to add my name here, right? So, my branch name. So this is add Adam Rishnor. And then I'm going to push it. And let's go to create a pull request. As it states here, we need to create a pull request on GitHub by visiting this URL. So if I go to this URL, I should be able to open a pull request, adding my name. So let's so this is the commit I've added. Let's just add a comment here just to make sure they understand. So add my name to the contributors. Contributors. Sorry for the spelling. English is not my first language, as you can probably tell. RMD list. And then in this branch, be sure to review the contributing guidelines and the code of conduct. So this is the comparison. Let's just make sure we're on the same. As you can see, this pull request is on the main repository, not my repository, the main one. And oh, here it is, compare and pull request. As it states here, we're gonna compare and pull request, and you will get a notification email once the changes have been merged. Completed the standard fork, clone, edit, pull request workflow that you will often encounter as a contributor. And then looks like that's it. So let's finish up with create the pull request. And hopefully this will be merged soon. And I'll get a notification about it. So I hope this was educational. This is how you create your first pull request to a public repository, a public Git repository. And on my next video, I'll start off with a new Git repository that I haven't even checked out or noticed about. Oh, it's been merged. That's so cool. On You can see it was merged very, very soon, very, very easily. Huzzah! Very cool. And then let's give them a star, of course. And yeah, hope you found this educational and see you soon.